Today is Monday. I am excited to go to school. I think today will be a great day.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Anna.
Wake up. It is time for school.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Wash your hands first. Very good.
What do we say before we eat?
Thank you for the food. Always be kind.
And always use good manners.
We will. That was not polite. Hello, my name is Tom.
I don't want to talk.
Good morning, Mr. James.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Today we will learn about good manners.
That sounds boring.
Who can tell me one good manner?
Who can tell me one good manner? We should say please and thank you.
Excellent. I knew that. Please raise your hand before speaking.
I don't have time for that. I am first. We should wait our turn. Ha ha ha. The trash can is right there. Someone else will clean it. Are you okay? Thank you. That was very kind. Thank you for helping me. You are welcome. I am going first.
I am going first.
Please wait your turn. We all wait in line here. This takes too long.
Books should be treated with care.
I need all of these. May I use the blue crayon, please? No.
Very good, Tom. Sharing makes everyone happy.
Oh no. My lunch is missing. You can share mine. I have an extra apple. You would share with me? Of course. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome.
Oh no! Please stay on the path.
I am sorry.
Thank you for saying sorry.
It looks like a wallet. What should we do? I have never seen so much money.
It belongs to someone.
We should find the owner. You are right.
Oh, someone was looking for this wallet. Thank you for bringing it. I wanted to do the right thing. My wallet. My money and cards are still here. Thank you so much.
Who found it?
He returned it.
Here. You are very honest.
No one has ever said that to me before. I heard some wonderful news.
Today I saw many acts of kindness, helping others, sharing, waiting in line, and being honest. These are all good manners.
I have a kindness star today. Tom, thank you for always helping others.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. Anna, thank you for sharing and being kind. Thank you.
This one is very special. It is for you.
Me?
Yes, you made mistakes today, but you learned, you said sorry, you shared, and you returned the wallet. That shows real change.
Thank you, everyone. I want to be kind every day. Goodbye, Tom. Goodbye, Anna. Thank you for helping me. We are friends.
How was school today?
We learned that good manners are more important than being first.
That is a wonderful lesson.
When we are kind, people trust us.
And when we help others, everyone feels happy.
Our family is proud of both of you. Good manners begin with small actions. Say please, say thank you, say sorry.
Help others, be honest, be kind every day.